Well, equipped with the understanding of basic statistic notions and the descriptive statistics framework of central tendency and dispersion merits. Now we start to work on SPSS hands-on to get you started with the use of SPSS. So if it's the first time you've launched SPSS on your laptop or desktop, there is a guidance. Well, here it's because I've um, uh, registered of the use on my personal computer, so it has this guide window. I'm currently using, I think it's SPSS version 25. I don't know. Yes, I'm using, I'm using version 26. I think you could get either version 25 or version 26 for free if you're a Metropolitan University student. To download SPSS, you just need to Google SPSS download MMU. Then you see the software package download address. So after installing SPSS and register the use, if you click on SPSS, you will see this window here. I just close the guide window, and we are looking at the main user interface of SPSS. It looks something quite similar to an Excel file with all these cells, columns, and rows that are somewhat similar to Excel, but the operations are different between SPSS and Excel. So instead of go back to the PowerPoint slides, I just demonstrate on the SPSS software, but everything I've demonstrated here have a step-by-step, more detailed explanation also on the slides. So by looking at the main user interface of SPSS, you might notice that again, it's the majority part of the program looks like Excel, like I mentioned, but we have some interesting functions here on the top, as well as some tabs here on the top. And these file edit, view, data, transform, analyze, graphs, utilities, and everything are the main tabs that we're going to use. So SPSS is a very powerful yet really easy to use software package. SPSS itself stands for Statistic Package for Social Science, but the usage is beyond social science. Of course, many of the people I know are doing research on, for example, medical research, or other fields of research also use SPSS. The great thing about SPSS is having these tabs. So many other software statistics software package are also powerful and available. For example, Stata or RStudio, MATLAB. The problem with these other software packages are they are command driven. So instead of having these push button menus and tabs, those software packages need you to learn the coding or the commands before you could do anything. So SPSS is really user-friendly, and at the moment I think it's part of the international business machine, and they're frequently updating the software, so keep an eye on the version that you're using. But my experience is that version after 23, you will have no problem open save the data or save the test results on a later version, so it's all compatible from previous versions or saved documents. But we do advise to have the latest version. Another thing specifically for university students at MMU is that your license will automatically expire after 1 year of the registration of the usage of the software. So if you want to continue using it, you need to get another registration code from the download page.